Hi, what's up,
Oh
bro?
my God. How are you? I love those bangs. Adu, you did it.
What?
The bangs.
Yeah, I was waiting for it. I was like, I really want to do them. And there
Oh
was
my.
of course, so I thought ki shoot shuru na ho jaye, so I was avoiding it. But then
No,
finally I was like, I want
bro,
this.
I love it. Bro, I love it. How did
I
you
just
do it? Did you cut them on your own? How did you do it? Tell everybody.
I did it on my own. So basically, I just took out this portion. ऐसे अपना थोड़ा सा ही
Yeah.
just measure करके with a comb and ऐसे just portion निकाला and then पहले इतना काटा.
God.
उसके बाद I was like इतना 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 कितना so according to idea के हिसाब से
Dude,
I was like
dude, मुझे लगा तू पक्का आंटी की हेल्प लेगी because
things are
well, let's just
overexposed.
no, yeah. I mean, it's only making you look pretty. I am just sitting in like some dampened light right now because I don't have light.
Oh God, I
God,
don't love this place. I just sit here all day and I'm like, okay, I
God.
am enjoying
So,
this.
love this view. Yeah,
Yeah.
you know, it's funny. I've never been to your place. I mean, the last time we talked,
I've
I just
yeah.
मैंने मॉम को बोला मैंने कहा नेक्स्ट टाइम आई एम गोइंग टू बॉम्बे मैं आदित्य के साथ जाके स्टे करने
Yeah, man, I told you that night also that you have to stay here. You don't have to go anywhere else. You just stay here.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't want to spend any money on hotels also when I have a house there, so I'm just
More
going
the
to
same
sort of
जैसे
save
you
my
have
money.
this hairstyle, मेरा भी hair cut कर दे. 7 feet लंबे बाल हो गए हैं.
God, God, oh my God. So we have like a lot of questions that we want to answer, like that we want you to
Yeah.
answer first. So pehle, I think I'm gonna start with you. So somebody
Mhm.
is asking if you have any offers for a music video because they love to see you in a music video. तो क्या scene है?
I would love to, yeah, because abhi to see we are locked down and we cannot go bahar and we have to stay home. But after
Yeah.
this, I'm sure कि काम का pressure बहुत ज़्यादा होगा because we have to deliver the 7-day episode and everything. So
Oh
I think it's going to
yeah.
be really difficult. But I hope मुझे time मिले and I can do some music videos. Even I love doing music videos and
No,
ads because they're so much fun. Like it's new. It's
you
something
know,
fresh.
your last music video was Bekadra, right? If I'm not wrong,
No, 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 no.
Bekadra.
It was Naan, Arnit Naan.
Why do I remember? I remember Bekadra very distinctively because मुझे like I loved your appearance in that video. Like I
Thank you,
loved
yeah.
your
Even I
appearance in
loved
that
it, and
video.
Karan is a very good friend now, and we are like family.
Yeah,
Karan, Divya, Aditi, everybody is like a family now, and even I loved doing Bekadra, and Arnit wala song also did really well. It's Naan, it's a ठेठ Punjabi song, so maybe हम लोगों को
yeah.
समझ ही ना आया. मुझे ही नहीं आया था कितनी देर तक तो. घर
No,
पे
but
गाने चलाओ नाचो.
who
Shut
was
up.
this? Oh
That's
God.
our friend Mohit Saeja. He was from Delhi only. हमारे college का ही था, senior. But then he left
Yeah,
our college.
he
Yeah.
was our senior. Wow.
Yeah. But then,
I,
but then we met through a video only. We did a short film together 4 years ago in college itself. तब उसने हमारा college छोड़ दिया था.
God.
And yeah, so we became friends this
Yeah.
time, and now we are really
So
good friends. He's in Bombay.
so so I think a few people also wants us to answer कि हमारी friendship कैसे हुई है. So let's first answer
Yeah.
that. Let me first introduce Aditi in my words. So I mean I'll have to do it. So guys, Aditi and I we met in college, and I think our section we were from different sections, and we didn't
Morning
interact
batch, evening
on a daily
batch.
basis.
Yeah.
But the best part about Aditi was that whenever we used to meet each other, we used to greet each other like we have never met each other since like forever.
I remember. Oh my God, Aishwarya.
Oh my God! No, I remember that too. Yeah, then like you were there. I'm like, oh my God, Aditi, and
I
run,
remember.
and we used to run to each other, and
We were
that was
running in the
literally
canteens. I remember you were going here and I was coming from the ground, and you were like, we literally ran off and there were cars in public, and they were like, what happened to
God.
these two?
No, I swear people used to look like ये कौन कब बिछड़े कब थे ये exactly.
I know,
But
right?
guys, we met in college and we became
Yeah.
friends then, and we actually our friendship grew when we sort of went out for our own careers. She moved to Bombay, and I am still staying in Delhi. So our college used to be in Delhi. Aditi is now in Bombay. I mean, everybody obviously knows that. And yeah, I think Aditi is one of the most. and I'll tell you what, I talk about it all the time with my
Come on.
parents and my sister and everybody I meet, that Aditi is literally the prettiest girl
Come
we've
on.
ever seen. No, I mean, like it's not even an exaggeration. I'm not saying it because I'm your friend. I mean, of course I'm your friend, but I'm not saying it because of that. I'm saying it because
Thank
it's
you,
true.
Aishwarya. You're
It's
just the
true.
kindest soul.
No, but it's true. I think when we sort of first saw you on TV, we just like, my mom was like, "Oh my God, she looks better than Aishwarya Rai," and I was like,
Oh
"No,
God, come on,
that is
Aishwarya Rai is a
no,
legend.
that
Come
is some."
on.
But I think you're flawless, and the best part about you is not even your beauty, but the person that you are. And guys, I think Aditi, if you have her in your life, you should just know that you have something to be grateful for every day. That is me. I'm
I love
grateful for
you.
you.
Even I'm
So
grateful for you
I
because
love you too.
I love you a lot.
So that's about our friendship. Now Aditi, मैंने I thought कि हम ये live chat करें because we want your opinion on how things are working in the industry, especially in the industry that you're in, right? So one question that I have here is that
Yeah.
लड़कियों को इतनी opportunities नहीं मिलती हैं पढ़ने की since the beginning, and India में तो बहुत सारी लड़कियां स्कूल से drop out कर देती हैं by 8th standard because of different reasons. ठीक है?
Yeah.
So यहाँ पे इतनी problems, there are so many problems that we
Right.
face here in India, but you still see that women are pushing the boundaries. You being a young girl, from New Delhi, is now settled in Bombay. You have made a
Right.
career out of your sole talent that you have, because you're like so good with everything that you do. So
Thank
I
you,
just
and
like,
sorry.
we would want to know कि how do you think कि लड़कियां ये push कर पा भी रही हैं in the first place, and what do you think हम lack कहाँ पे करते हैं यहाँ पे?
I really think, yeah, it depends on the place you were born because a lot of places don't have the opportunities. For example, for myself, when I was in college, I had no clue how to go to how to go to Bombay, या मैं कैसे जाऊंगी, कैसे करूंगी,
Yeah.
In fact, मैं यही सोचती थी कि बॉम्बे में इतनी pretty लड़कियां हैं, इतने talented लोग हैं, कहाँ मुझे मौका मिलेगा. I was so not sure. I was like really, अब like एक होता है ना, एक उतनी कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं थी कि आई डोंट नो इफ आई
Right.
बी एबल टू डू इट.
Right.
बट देन आई रियली बिलीव कि अगर आपके मन में हो एंड छोटे शहर में भी जो लड़कियां होती हैं, जो लड़कियां एक्चुअली
Yeah.
चाहती हैं कुछ करना, दे कैन डू इट नो मैटर व्हाट. आई अंडरस्टैंड अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं मिलती, बट देन यू हैव टू सर्च फॉर अपॉर्चुनिटीज, क्योंकि अपॉर्चुनिटी घर बैठे बैठे नहीं आती. आपको उसके लिए ऑब्वियसली बाहर निकलना पड़ता है और बहुत सारी चीजों से, बहुत सारी स्ट्रगल से, मतलब यू हैव टू fight with things and to reach
Yeah.
somewhere. So it was not like कि मैं घर बैठी हुई थी और मुझे बस एक कॉल आया
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
मैं बॉम्बे आ गई.
You
So
worked
for me
hard for
also,
it.
I went out for auditions. I used
Right.
to go, even after college, I used to go for auditions, and I used to do my YouTube videos, and every person who
I
is in the
remember.
industry,
I remember.
whatever girl is doing good in their life. For example, you as well. It's not easy. I know how hard you work. आप दुनिया को लगता है कि करती क्या है, फोटोज खिंचवाते हो, कुछ नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता. बिकॉज
Yeah.
उसके पीछे का एक एक वीडियो, एक एक फोटो के पीछे जो दिमाग
Right.
लगाते हैं, जो चीज लिखते हैं, उस चीज को पोर्ट्रे करना उस तरीके से कि लोगों को समझ आए, that's a big deal. Then I remember you posted something about the acid attackers or something, तो
Yeah,
उस पे
yeah,
भी
yeah.
लोगों ने तुझे bash किया. So I was so
Oh
upset
God.
about it. So it's never easy. It's never going to
True.
be easy for
True.
anybody.
True.
But
True.
yes, if you really want to achieve something, you want to be something, then you have to fight for it. Because
Yeah.
मतलब, even though people say that equality hai and all that crap and feminism
Yeah.
and blah blah blah, but I really think कि girls have to work harder, because एक
Harder.
लड़की जो उतनी पढ़ी हुई है और एक
True.
लड़का जो उससे कम पढ़ा हुआ है, उनका
True.
पे स्केल तब भी अलग रहता है. And
True.
there is this
True.
difference between girl and boy हमेशा से,
True.
जो
True.
हम लोग बोलते हैं कि नहीं होना चाहिए, ऐसे बकवास करते
Yeah.
हैं, बोलते तो
Yeah.
बहुत कुछ है, बट हिपोक्रेसी,
Yeah.
पर ऐसा होता नहीं है. So
Yeah.
I think just know that you have to fight for yourself,
Yeah.
and if you really want to become something, and keep working
Right.
hard, because at the end you'll find your destiny.
Right.
Your destiny
So
will take you to your goal, right?
True, true. So basically, guys, what she's saying is that you have to fight for everything. And boy, Aditi, you know, it's not easy for anybody. It wasn't easy for you. It's not easy for me.
Right.
And it's as hard as anybody, you know, who's coming from any sort of background they are from.
Exactly.
Right now, Aditi, so
Mhm.
there was this one question about you and Vikram, and they wanted to know
Yeah.
how much you miss Vikram first, and also if you're like
Oh.
great friends on set or you're actually friends in real life.
We are definitely good friends in real life as well. Yeah, we chill together, we hang out together. Like we
I
have
love you
group of
as a couple
friends.
on TV. I love you.
Thank you.
Everybody, it's just like it's pure love. It's pure love.
Uh, Thank
But
you, thank you.
also, but
Vikram
also,
is a sweetheart. Yeah.
but
He's
also,
such a,
someone wanted
yeah.
to ask you that who is your favorite co-star yet? Your
Definitely, I
work.
think I've worked with a lot of good actors. Like apart
Yeah.
from just my heroes, I've worked with
Yeah.
some beautiful actors.
Yeah.
My mother-in-law, Jaswinder ji, was amazing. Then Garima ji bahut अच्छी हैं, Smita ji bahut अच्छी हैं. I've met beautiful people around. Neena ji की
Right.
वो दादी बनी थी. So I think I've worked with a lot of beautiful actors. But definitely, if you would ask me who's your favorite co-star, then it's of course Vikram, yeah, because Vikram and me
Yes, I'm winner
have
here.
bonded Touchwood so well, and we
Yeah.
are like family. Yeah, we
Yeah.
have said that before in our interviews as well. We feel like family. There's like
Yeah.
I know his friends, I know his family. His family is so sweet. When they came on set, they loved me, and you know we had fun. And then my
That's
family
because
loved him.
everybody
And
loves you.
come on.
But acha, also, you know, you remember the last time we were having a conversation on phone and you mentioned about, you know, writing this letter and addressing this issue. Do
Yeah.
you want to talk about
Yeah.
it? But
Sure, it's a very small issue. I discussed it with Mama. So Mama had her own
Yeah.
opinion, and you know, so I thought about it a lot. But then what I really want is like the way we are right now. I know
Yeah.
it's very difficult. It's very difficult to stay in one house for days and months, and it's very difficult. I understand, but I really
Yeah.
feel after all this is over, I
Yeah.
really want everybody to stay more conscious about their doings,
Right.
and you know. Matlab maybe if the Prime Minister can just tell everybody to stay home at least for a day or two every month,
Yeah.
when
Yeah.
nobody except the you know doctors or the policemen are working, उनके अलावा कोई भी काम ना करे, सब घर रहे, और you know जो हमारा surroundings है, हमारी एनिमल्स हैं, हमारा एयर पॉल्यूशन कम हो, वाटर पॉल्यूशन कम हो. सो आई
Yeah.
रियली फील कि कुछ ऐसा हो, जैसे अभी इतना क्लियर स्काई हो गया है, द विंड इज सो
Yeah.
गुड,
True.
द स्काई
True.
इज सो ब्लू, वी कैन सी द
It's
स्टार्स एट
pretty.
नाइट.
It's pretty. Even at
या
Adu, you remember Delhi में stars कब दिखते थे? I don't
या
remember.
बहुत
Do you
रेयर.
remember
या
at any point of time हमने कभी भी stars देखे होंगे? Right
मैंने
now,
तो
you know, you go to your balcony and you see that you
या
know that it's just like lit. It's lit up with stars.
आई नो
And
आई नो राइट, इट्स जस्ट सो वंडरफुल.
Bombay में तो अभी flamingos were also spotted, right? Bombay
Yeah, I know.
yesterday.
Bombay में whale and whale carrier. I think there was dolphins were there at
Yeah,
yeah, Gateway of India.
I
Yeah,
mean it's
I've
crazy.
seen that picture. The drone pictures are so pretty. I'm like, this
I
world is just so
know.
pretty, and we are just
I
spoiling
know.
it. And you know, हम कितना
And
ज़्यादा
you know,
मतलब, I feel so sad for this
but you know,
pretty world.
but you know what I love the most about the drone picture is that Bombay
Yeah.
is clear. Like, you know, that traffic situation, the bad drive,
I
you would know
know.
it. I have
Yeah.
only been like twice to Bombay or thrice, and you
Yeah.
know,
Yeah.
I just thought that Delhi is so much better traffic situation in
Delhi has
Delhi.
such good roads. Yeah, I love Delhi.
Big
For that
roads,
matter, big roads. And
big
जिसको ये
roads.
हाईवे कहते हैं ना, हमारा आउटर रिंग रोड है वो, जो यहाँ पे हाईवे है, हमारा आउटर
Exactly
रिंग
my
रोड उससे
point.
बड़ा है.
So like,
Space.
I mean, the drone pictures are the best also because it's
Yeah.
showing like absolutely no traffic on the road, and that's like the
Yeah.
best sight ever.
I know,
And
right? But I love Bombay as well. I think Bombay में ना लोग थोड़े समझदार हैं ज़्यादा. What I
yeah,
feel.
yeah, well,
क्योंकि
we've
yeah,
discussed this enough, huh? Though we don't have to discuss it
yeah.
here. बहुत बेइज्जती हो जाएगी. दिल्ली वालों की बेइज्जती वैसे ही बहुत होती है. I
नहीं
just
नहीं,
feel
दिल्ली
like, you
वालों
know,
की बेइज्जती नहीं कर रही. I love Delhi also and I love Bombay
of course we
also. I
love
think मैं
Delhi. We
दोनों
both are
जगह
Delhi
रही हूँ.
girls.
Right. So I think मैं
Yeah,
Delhi रही हूँ इसके लिए I can say कि I love Delhi as well. The
of
street
course we
food, the
do.
roads, the houses. यहाँ पे तो
Yeah,
space तो मतलब अगर आपको space चाहिए तो ऐसे अपनी बैंक में से आधा पैसा तो उधर ही दे दो. It's
true.
very
No, that's true.
expensive.
So basically,
A
you're
lot of people are
saying that, you
praising my
know,
hairstyle. I'm so happy.
everybody's, I'm just like reading comments and they're all about they love your
Hairstyle.
hairstyle. But
I'm like,
listen, you know, when I first saw it, I
yeah.
was like, what has she done? And then I saw it again, I replayed it. I was like, oh my god, she's done it.
So you remember
Oh
I had
my god.
such hair in college as well. So I was like, okay, let's
Yeah.
get that.
But listen, this is better. You know, like this time it's just like it looks much more refined and better. I just like still don't believe you have done it. I think you're still lying. I think Meenu auntie did
I
it.
have a video.
Somehow.
I have a video. No, no, no. Mama didn't help me. मतलब मम्मा ने ऐसे बोला था इतना section निकाल इतना मतलब उन्होंने सिर्फ बोला था. So I tried it on my papa actually.
Yeah,
मैंने
guys.
पहले अपने पापा के बाल काटे. मैंने देखा मुझे आता है काटने की.
Oh my
then I
god.
did it on myself.
I cannot
But
believe it.
Papa paid me for that. Papa was like, "You're such an amazing, hairstylist. I would just give you some money for that."
Oh my god. Chalo, theek hai. Like, I mean, that's what we are doing now. Quarantine mein, we are just like trying to
Next
figure out what we are
talent.
good at. What we're good
I
at.
think I'm really good at like cutting my hair, chopping my hair. So I
Oh
think
well.
I'll do it again next time.
Oh well, you have
maybe.
to. Yeah, well. Okay. So,
Yeah.
Aditi, so let's talk about, you know, this petition. And, you know, I wanted to talk about this with you.
Yeah.
Now, you know, like, you remember this petition that I published a few months ago? Like, I think it's been a few months about, you know, this petition which calls out that it's ground zero, rape or no rape, right? So it's actually calling, the petition is calling out the National Commission for Women and the Indian government to have stricter laws about you know, I mean
Rape,
about for the rapist and, you know, the offenders of the crime. And somehow we feel that, you know, I mean, you know, we just want to discuss ki ground zero, rape or no rape, actually means that, you know, we would want the you know, the molesters and the rapists and the offenders to get a minimum life imprisonment, and, you know, the kind of support that we can
Right,
get.
that should be strict. It should be strict. Like, you
It
know,
should-
ऐसे जो जुगाड़ नहीं होने चाहिए इस चीज में जैसे दुबई में है जैसे
True.
फॉरेन कंट्रीज में यू नो सीधा डेथ
True.
पेनल्टी दैट इज द
True.
बेस्ट थिंग
True.
अदरवाइज आई थिंक ईरान या किसी कंट्री में उनका सीधा जो मेल पार्ट है वो सीधा काट देते हैं
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
that strictness should be there so that you know इंडिया में कोई हिम्मत ही ना करे कि लड़की को ऐसे बुरी नजर से देखे या कोई सोचे भी कि मैं ऐसा
True.
कर सकता हूँ.
True.
So there
But-
should be definitely.
But Adu, I'll tell you what, you know, there are a lot of human right advocates जो इस चीज को हमेशा से they have not been in the favor of it. They say that, you know, to sort of you know, terminate someone like that completely is the biggest human right you know, offense one can commit. But then, you know, we sort of do not agree with it. And why? Because we feel the pain of fellow women, right? Like being girls, we can feel the pain, right?
And
you
I
know,
feel it
sometimes
should not be just with the boys who do so. I've heard a lot of stories about men as well. जो जिनको girls fake charges लगाती है,
Right.
and they misuse their you know, rights of being a woman. So I feel कि similar rights होने चाहिए मेल्स के पास या फिर कोई ऐसा ना होना चाहिए कि चाहे वो लड़की हो चाहे वो लड़का हो, they'll be punished and they'll be, you know, so that's because it's very wrong if you are a woman and you're you know
misusing your right.
कर रहे हो, right? So that's very wrong as well, because my friend is a lawyer and she told me कि इतने सारे cases ऐसे आते हैं, the girls are blaming the boy that he raped me and everything, and they were actually there, you know, they are doing it for money, which is so sick, which is really bad, and I feel
which is
so
sick
sad
also
for the people.
And you know, Aditi, I'll tell you why. Because of these few people, the people who are, you know, the most genuine and the real people, they fall behind the line. So, you know, यही होता है, because we don't have stricter laws for it. And I feel जितने loopholes हैं, जितने आप you know, sections के अंदर sections डालोगे, जितने भी आप उसको laws में convert करोगे, उतना ही for the other person it's easy and his lawyer to to get
Yeah,
them
yeah,
out. Like
loopholes.
Nirbhaya rape
Correct.
case sort of, you know, it just went on for 7 years, and
I
7
know,
saal tak
man.
it was a cut, open and shut case. You know, they knew what happened, they knew who did it,
Yeah.
but 7 saal tak they could not you know, sort of
That is
just
the saddest part about India, you know. That's the
yeah,
worst thing. So I feel कि अगर you know, at the end of the day, police and these political people already know what's wrong and what's right. They
yeah,
somewhere deep down they know it. They know the
yeah,
truth.
yeah,
बहुत कम ऐसा होता है कि वो सच नहीं होता है हमें बाद में पता चलता है but
true,
mostly a lot of times the truth is just
it,
right in front of our eyes and
right,
people are trying to just manipulate things so that they can
exactly,
save themselves. A lot of mothers try to
exactly,
save their boy after
right,
doing crap. So that's the
yeah,
saddest part. I think एक माँ को ही या एक बहन
yeah,
को अगर पता है तो आई थिंक उन्हीं को खुद लगना चाहिए कि इसको मारो गोली कि इसने
true,
हिम्मत
true,
कैसे की। और पहली बात तो बचपन से ये
true,
सिखाना चाहिए कि एक लड़की
true,
को देखना कैसे है या यू नो अपने घर में सिखाओ ना।
yeah,
क्यों हम लड़कियों को बोलते हैं कि तुम्हें ऐसे कपड़े नहीं पहनने चाहिए, ऐसे बोलना नहीं चाहिए, लड़की हो तो तुम ऐसे खुले पैर करके क्यों बैठी हो या छोटे
yeah,
कपड़े क्यों पहने। That's the
yeah,
saddest part of India. It's a
yeah,
harsh reality, ऐश्वर्या।
yeah,
और इसमें हम जितनी डिस्कशन करें ना, मतलब हमारी डिस्कशन से तो कोई फायदा ही नहीं है। आई थिंक देयर आर बिगर पीपल हु नो दिस इशू एंड दे स्टिल नॉट सॉल्विंग
yeah,
इट एंड वी
yeah,
being like 22
yeah,
23 years old girls we know
yeah,
like
yeah,
like 12-13 सालों की लड़कियों को भी इस चीज की अक्ल है पर
true,
उन
true.
बड़ों को जो अपना कुर्सी पे बैठे हैं they don't know it or what I don't know why are they not
They don't
taking
wanna,
things so seriously.
also because Aditi, they don't want to implement it क्योंकि उनको rage नहीं दिखता है. You know why we are talking about it right now? For that everybody who's viewing us right now, उनको ये पता चले that we stand for a certain cause. This is what we stand for. We do not stand for
Right.
women being disrespected, catcalled on the
Correct.
streets. You know, so many times लड़कियों का चलना मुश्किल है यार roads पे. Like कोई
I
भी
know.
आसपास आता जाता,
You
they're making
remember
comments
our
on you.
situation? You remember that? Oh my God, Ashwara, I
Oh,
will
let's
never
talk
forget
about
that
that.
day. Yeah,
I
guys. So I request you guys, please
God,
जाना मत. I have this little story from the day I was in Delhi. अभी थोड़े time पहले I went to
God.
Delhi and I met Ashwarya and we were driving. हम दोनों थे और हमारे साथ एक और friend थी. Hi Akshay. Hi. They have blinders. That's why. I know, babe. Anyway.
Yeah, we were
So,
driving.
yeah, so we were driving and we were on that Dhola Kuan traffic, na, I
I
think.
think we were in RK Puram somewhere
Yeah,
near the
yeah, yeah,
Hyatt Hotel. Yeah,
yeah. So
yeah.
वहां से हमारे पीछे बहुत तेज की कार आती है, ऐसे हमें
Oh my God.
ओवरटेक करती है और हमारे आगे आगे खड़ी हो जाती है and we are like honking कि let us go and they
God.
did not and they were like music तेज कर दिया and they were looking at us and everything and I was
They
like
pulled
what
down the mirror also. They pulled down the
yeah
window. You remember?
yeah. So then we tried to overtake them तो उन्होंने हमें आगे जाने दिया उसके बाद पीछे से वो हम पे हॉर्न मारे जा रहे हैं.
God.
It was so sick and then you tell the whole story of
God. Our parents are watching it probably right
Ash-
now, but I'm still
yeah,
going to say
it's
it.
okay.
So
Aishwarya
you
was
know,
like,
I am not speaking to my mother and your mother for a while after this. I'm just like going to be like radio silent. But yeah, guys, so you know, like it was tragic. वो दिन तो like I don't think so we can forget it because
yeah,
those guys kept chasing us and they chased
yeah,
us for good like 1.5 kilometers.
yeah.
And after a while, I got so irritated, and I told Aditi, I was like, I am not going to leave them alive. And Aditi's like, Aishwarya, calm down.
She
You know, you need
start,
to,
yeah. Because I
you
know
need to,
कैसे होता है लोग ऐसे करते हैं so you know
yeah,
after a while you get habitual कि ठीक है बेवकूफ हैं क्या उखाड़ेंगे but then I think you
yeah,
should take it seriously. So Aishwarya was like she took out her phone and she started recording them and she was like अब and then they ran away like anything like अभी हम
that was,
पुलिस को देंगे ना तो अक्ल आ जाएगी
listen,
सारी तुम्हें तुम्हारी नानी याद नहीं दिलानी.
that was the best part. But Aditi, that was the best part. You know, like
I know.
the fact that they knew that now we are recording them and we can take this
Yeah,
ahead. They ran for their lives. They ran for their lives.
I know.
So if anybody is listening to this right now and you think that you
अरे
know,
अक्षत Sakija is here. Hi Sakija.
I can't read any
What?
comment. What is wrong with me? Hi Akshay, how are you?
So I can read the comments.
I can't.
Sakija is here. Why?
Can't. I don't know. I mean, yeah, now I can read it. Now I can read it, but I still can't read his comment. Hi, Akshit, how are
नहीं ऊपर चला
you?
गया.
Your two favorite girls are on live. How do you
Yeah, you're saying
feel?
with pretty girls alive.
Love it. So, guys, that was our story about it. And I think Aditi was all the time. Aditi was like, Shara, you need to calm down. You just calm down. And then I was eating. You remember, I was eating this burger and I was wearing white on
Burger.
white. And I was telling you that
I can
Aditi.
never forget it.
I was like, Aditi, you know, like I have this art. मैं कभी भी drive करती हूँ ना, मैं कभी कुछ नहीं गिराती हूँ अपने ऊपर. Guys, the
I know.
moment I said it, that burger literally came
It did.
off.
And
So,
right, pura orange mayonnaise, and I was like, okay. Oh my
And
god.
I was humiliated. I was like, thank God she's a
It's
friend and not
okay.
somebody I'm meeting for the first time. Because I mean, Aditi, I mean, I would have judged myself अगर मैं तेरी जगह होती वहाँ पे तो.
Come on. Yeah,
Okay.
यार, क्या फर्क
But
पड़ता है?
then, do you remember that time when we went to
So,
Starbucks?
Ashwara,
and
there's a very famous like quote, and I would say कि actually मुझे किसी बहुत बड़े इंसान ने बताई थी ये चीज.
okay,
So I would love to share it with you.
yeah,
कि,
please
you know,
do.
you should always humiliate yourself in front of strangers. That's
Oh
how
my
you become more confident. Just I was like, what? And I always do that. I slip in front of strangers. जब कुछ
What?
important होगा तब तो मैं, you know, so I met a producer and मैं उनको
Yeah.
जानती थी and उनका नाम किसी और से बहुत मिलता था. And
Yeah.
I was like, and मैंने इतनी stupid बात की थी, मुझे लगा वो है, क्योंकि मुझे पता नहीं था कि नाम सेम है, तो मुझे लगा वही होगी. तो मैंने उनके सामने ही कुछ तो ऐसा भरता हुआ बोल दिया था. I was like,
Oh my
shit.
God. No, but
So,
we want to know
but
the
it's
end of the
okay.
story. But did he
But
like
it's
you
okay.
in the end?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, well,
They were
see,
like,
I mean, Aditi, I mean, you need to have a certain sort of face, I think, to be still. I mean, I think that's not really a problem for us. All I'm saying is that maybe you're right, that you know you can do it. But I think that's what we do, right? We keep humiliating ourselves in front of
yeah,
everybody.
I do that so much, and मैं तो
But you
मतलब,
know,
I'm
I-
so okay with it now. It's
but
fine. I feel
that's
ये
what I'm
तो
saying. I think, guys, so the point that she and I connect so much is because, you know, we are unfit, like we don't have any filter. We are always being what we truly are and saying
Exactly.
what we really believe in. Like there is nothing, we don't think twice about, you know, saying what we feel. So I think that's like the best part about Aditi. and me.
Exactly, and I think सबको ही ऐसे होना चाहिए, because life is too short. Yeah, see, now we are stuck. We are stuck in our houses, and we cannot meet our friends. We cannot chill.
Yeah. Yeah, and you know, Aditi, I had plans to come to Bombay in March. I had to come. I had to shoot with Siddhi. Siddhi is another one
Yeah.
of my friend. I have to make you meet her like really soon. So she's also based out based out of Bombay, and I thought that, you know,
Okay.
I'll come, I'll meet you, because we couldn't meet last time when I was in Bombay.
I know.
And now like everything stands cancelled for I don't know when, till I don't know when.
So I know June तक तो ये जाने ही वाला है.
God, please मत बोल यार, मत बोल. Like, guys, हमने कुछ नहीं कहा ऐसा. You did not hear it from us. We don't know. We only believe what government is going to tell us, and we're going to follow.
Right.
But
We will definitely follow what they're saying. पता है मेरे को ऐश्वर्या, it's been more than 32 days since I've stepped out. मैं इस door से बाहर तक नहीं गई, अपनी lift में भी नहीं, नीचे भी नहीं, and I'm like,
I know, man. Like, don't even think that we don't know the pain. Everybody is sharing that
but
pain,
I
that
found a
load
new
with you.
interest.
What's
I
that?
found a new
Oh my-
interest.
Are you
So
playing
I've been
it?
playing guitar. But a little, honestly, I don't know any songs or such, but I know
No,
how to
please
play a
play
little.
something.
And honestly, I'm not very good at it.
But
and
still
I'm
play it?
learning.
Oh my God, Aditi, you're getting awfully good at this. But why? Oh my God, I can't read this. What?
I'm just playing something, and then I'm writing, and then I'm trying to learn Spanish lately. अभी मुझे
I
2 दिन
think
हुए हैं.
so. You know what will happen?
Yeah.
Once you come out of this quarantine, you're going to become everything by yourself. You're an actress already. Okay, you're going to become a singer. You're going to become a producer. You're going to become.
God.
I mean, please, Aditi, baaki
What's your
अपनी job
favorite
रहने दो.
chocolate? Tell me. I'm gonna, I'm gonna send you some nice chocolates. तेरे मुंह में घी शक्कर मीठा.
You mean me? मुझे?
Yeah.
I can't hear you. I think I did not hear what you just said about the
I'm
chocolate
saying
pack.
because you say ना जब कोई अच्छा बोलता है तो उसको बोलते हैं ना तेरे मुंह में घी शक्कर. So I would say तेरे मुंह में chocolates. Tell me what chocolate you like.
Thanks, love it. I love chocolates. But the Dairy Milk Silk, the plain one, we love. I think that's
even I love it.
we love
But
that, right? We love.
You know what?
Let's not
So,
think about it.
जब हम शूट कर रहे थे तो हमें पता नहीं था कि वो लास्ट डे है सेट पे. Like you know last day as in
Oh my
before this
God,
lockdown.
talk about
तो
that.
मेरे सेट पे मेरा सारा मेकअप, मेरे मेकअप ब्रशेस, मेरी चॉकलेट्स, मेरे फ्रूट्स, मेरा सॉफ्ट टॉय, सब कुछ वहीं पे रह गया ना. Missing
God. No,
my
but
things.
I mean, let this get over. I'm going to send you something from my, own personal liking. And but do not complain because you get all the soft toys and all the chocolates every day. Like sometimes I'm like, why is she getting everything? Like why?
Yeah, people are just so sweet. People are just so sweet. People keep sending their love, and it's just. I feel like I'm so blessed to have such beautiful people in my life. Like there are people from different countries, and there's a fan from Singapore. She's so sweet. There's fans from Africa, and then so many different countries, from Dubai, from Canada, and
from London. So I remember you did a show in London. Yeah. You remember?
No, I did not do a show.
It was a tour.
It was a meet and greet. Yeah, it was a meet and greet with fans.
Yeah. I mean, next time you do a meet and greet with fans, can you please take me to London? I've never been to London somehow. What?
My friend is saying, software का क्या करेगी? घर में झाड़ू पोंछा है ना, घर का काम कर चल. I do that by the way. मैं घर का सारा तो नहीं पर झाड़ू पोंछा तो करती हूँ यार. Come on, I have to help
Please, at least मुझे तो मत बता. I have my sources to really check what you're doing, right? Like मुझे like.
Yeah, definitely. You can ask my mom. Seriously, I do it.
No, but like some people are saying, I love you, Roshni, and I feel like this is the best thing. That they know you as Aditi, but they know you as Roshni, and they love you as.
So I have so many comments. Up Ayana Hona. On my TikTok, they're saying,
oh my
favorite, you are Ayana, and I feel like so they know. Apart from Roshni, so एक जिन होती है और एक Ayana होती है. So they're like, I love you, Ayana, and she's so cute. I'm like, okay.
That means everybody is following your show religiously. Do you see it?
Yeah.
I mean, I think I have sort of explained it in the initial conversation only that people love you on screen, and I mean, people love you off screen.
And I love them.
All your friends. God. Okay, do we have any more questions in the comment section? Because I can only see
we missed a lot of comments.
I think we did. I mean, how many questions do you get, man? Like this is.
Oh God. So I just posted randomly, ki just send in some questions, and I posted that Instagram pe Q&A hota hai.
Yeah.
And I couldn't revert to each of it because there was so many questions, and I was like scrolling and it's not ending, and I'm like, how will I answer all of them? So I'm like, okay, I'll rather go live someday and tell them to ask me all those questions, and that would be better. And
no, I mean, I think
it was you. That's why I came live. Otherwise, I told them I'm not coming live for a while now.
What?
It was just because it's you. Because seriously, Shwara, because I told a lot of channels and a lot of people that I'm not doing live. I'm not doing live. Because I'm bored.
I know.
I'm like, I'm done. Like, itna live ho gaya. Har channel ke saath ek baar live chalegi na. I'm not gonna go live anytime soon.
But guys,
I'm
call me
go
lucky.
Live with Vikram very soon.
Bas theek hai. I think I am lucky, and thank you so much, Aditi, for doing this. I love you so much. Always. And I think we've missed like every question now. What I'm gonna do?
Yeah, let's see, guys. You guys can quickly send in some questions, and I'm gonna read all the comments.
Yeah.
Please don't say hi. Hi to everybody. Lots of love to all of you. Thank you so much for loving me, and to all the fans from everywhere. I love you guys a lot, and if I'll even take your names, people won't go and follow you. I know this, so please don't say please take my name, and please just send in some questions. I can answer them, and that will be better so that you can know me even more.
True. So,
Let's
but
see.
I think I did. Okay.
Hmm.
They're asking you about your Arab fans that text you a lot.
Sorry,
So
what?
somebody's asked you, did you see Arab fans message to you? Like, I'm sorry, like I'm having trouble
People are
reading.
saying, will you come with Vikram? Yes, definitely. As soon as he gets ready, I'm so fine with it.
See, guys, you're gonna get another live session. Brace yourselves. Okay, what
Missing
I'm gonna do,
Meerwan.
Aditi, is that I'm
Yeah,
gonna also leave the petition link that we were talking about in the comment
yeah.
section. So if anybody wants to sign it, can just
Sure,
quickly.
you can just post the link.
Yeah,
No
I'm trying
problem.
to do that. I'm
What
just like,
else?
somehow I'm not able to
23.
manage.
You're not able to do what?
I'm somehow not able to write anything or just like because I was about
Send
to
me the
write.
link. I'll post it.
I mean,
I'll
how
pin
do I
it.
send you? No, but if I send it to you now, it will get paused now, the video.
It's okay. It's okay. You can just send it to me and we'll just quickly post it.
Yeah, okay.
Africa, as soon as you call me, what is your quality of Roshni which you would like to inherit in your personality? उसके बाद हर चीज का जवाब होता है. I wish मेरे पास भी होता. मुझे बाद में याद आता है. Oh shit, yeah, I could just say that.
Somebody's asking you
You
who's your
know,
favorite
Malayalam.
actress.
My favorite actress, yeah, I think I love a lot of actresses actually. I love Deepika, I love Priyanka Chopra, I
Choose
love
one.
Aishwarya Rai.
Choose one.
आई थिंक सबने यार अपने अपने एक हर मूवी में एक इतना अच्छा कैरेक्टर निभाया है कि आई लव द कैरेक्टर्स they've played. So
Yeah, true.
I cannot just select one person because they're all amazing actors. Alia Bhatt is amazing, so they've done brilliant work in some movies and some were fine. So I would say कि एक particular बहुत बेस्ट
Yeah.
प्लेस है. कभी आपको बता देंगे आशा. Link is too long. That's why
I think maybe
you're
that's why.
unable to.
Maybe that's why. Yeah, because I'm also not able to post it at
Yeah,
all. Like
yeah, that
somehow.
is the only reason. Guys, can you hear me? Can you hear
Now
me?
I can hear you. I can hear you.
The comments are not going forward, na? रुक गए comments.
Yeah. No, I could paste the link now. See? Can you see my link?
No.
Check. Somebody, let me ask you now. I can read the
Yeah.
comment. So somebody is asking your new haircut. Who has done it? Guys, Aditi has done it herself. She's
Yeah.
sort of explained that already. I think somebody
You
is asking
see,
you.
but it's really difficult to maintain. Honestly, it's very difficult
I
because
know,
एक तो
man. I
गर्मी
don't know
है.
how to doing it.
It's very
Aditi, don't
difficult to
you think
maintain.
my light is a little better now? The light in the room is a little
Yeah,
better.
yeah, 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 yeah. It is. It
Imagine
is.
this is exactly. I mean, I don't even know all these things if I don't have other people in my house. Okay, somebody's asking you, when are you coming to Malaysia?
As soon as you call me, trust me, I can go anywhere. I really love traveling. But I think lockdown के बाद थोड़ा time तो
Hey.
मैं यहीं रहने वाली हूँ.
Oh well, Meenu auntie is here. Hi, Meenu auntie. I
Oh,
miss
she's
you.
here for you, not for me.
Of course, she's here for me, guys. Of course, guys, Meenu auntie loves me more, like way more. I mean, I'm not even
Yeah.
exaggerating. So she's saying Ranveer is your favorite. Somebody's asked you who's your favorite hero, and she's saying Ranveer is her favorite. I love
Yeah.
how everybody has come together for Aditi to answer her questions on her behalf because it's just too
Thank
much,
you.
guys.
They just know me.
It's just too much. Aditi सब आंसर नहीं कर सकती है. So we are
Aishwarya,
there.
do you think my hair looks more like that Anastasia from 50 Shades?
Oh God! Now did you
I
say
just
it? As you know, na Meenu auntie is in this chat session only.
तो क्या
But yeah, I mean,
हुआ?
answering your
I'm
question,
talking
I
about the
think,
character.
listen, but I love it. Yeah, I think you know the kind of hair that she had. I think in the
Yeah.
second part now, I think more from the
Ye-
second part.
Nahin,
The first
first
part
one
only.
itself. First
I know
part
the
only.
first
She
part
was
only.
the
Yeah.
innocent and just quiet and shy.
Yeah, that's
यार
you.
मेरे
Aditi.
comments क्यों नहीं चल रहे यार?
Somebody, I think that's your friend. I don't know. Now I've lost. My comments are working. Let me tell you what people are saying.
Why my
Meenu auntie is saying
comments not
Ranveer Singh is
working?
her favorite. I'm reading after
Yeah.
that. Then people are sending you a lot of love. And there's someone
Thank
called Reem_Samir 8.
Yeah, Reem is a friend. She's a lovely friend. She's amazing human as well. Yeah, she's a cute
Yeah.
guy.
She's
Yeah.
saying Aditi. Okay, that
Hi,
I can't remember the
Reem.
meeting. Okay, yeah. So somebody asked you where
Even
would
Reem and
you?
me keep video calling each other and irritating each other. We talk to each other for a while.
Yeah.
She's a sweetheart. Yeah.
Okay,
I think अभी
somebody
सबको टाइम मिला है सबसे बात करने का ना तो बहुत ही मजा आ रहा है मुझे.
clearly see I made you do this. You should guys, everybody should thank me collectively because
Thank you,
मैंने
Aishwarya.
किया ये. I made it possible today. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Somebody is saying you're my biggest inspiration. Now
Thank you.
somebody is also asking you about where do you see your character going? What is
मेरे
it?
पापा पीछे आत्मा की
Hi,
तरह घूम रहे
uncle.
हैं. मैं ऐसे देख रही हूँ क्या हो रहा है पीछे. पापा ऐश्वर्या हाय बोल रही है.
Hi,
आपको आना मेरे
uncle.
लाइफ पे.
It'll be fun. Well, you should have gotten Meenu auntie also on your life somehow. It should have been a family life. We
Oh God,
doing
हम आ चुके हैं
family
family life. Yeah,
together.
that would be fun. Yeah.
I know, right? Okay, so people are asking you where do you see your character as Roshni going in the show?
I think there are a lot of fluctuations in it because starting में वो बहुत बोलती थी फिर वो बिल्कुल नहीं बोलती
Yeah.
कुछ चीजों के लिए. So I think वो totally TRP और writer पे depend करता है. We don't know, we never know वो कहाँ चला जाए. कभी कभी मैं एकदम देवी बन जाती हूँ of the show की पूरा hero feels. कभी मर जाती है. So yeah, you never know. This is the answer only writers can tell. Where
my
do you
God.
see your character going? You don't
Right.
know.
I think you've gotten your answer.
Because
Somebody is asking
अमन
you.
जुनैद खान का कैरेक्टर पूरा खराब कर दिया था बीच में.
No, but you know, whenever I get time, Aditi, I just
Yeah.
dedicatedly watch you on the screen. Like, I just
Really?
think, oh, this is Aditi. Of course,
I love
whenever I'm
you.
getting time, I just
So
like, you know,
sweet.
sometimes I'm always on the repeat part more rather than being on time.
Yeah.
But
Yeah,
I
yeah.
just see you and I hook up to the screen and then I feel that I take a few pictures of you. I do my
Yeah, I
stuff.
know your strength. Thank you, baby.
And
Why are my
somebody,
comments not working?
I'll tell you, somebody is asking you about your age. What's your age? Guys, we're
I've
of same
told
age, yeah?
them. Yeah, 23.
नहीं बता रहे हम तुम्हें अपनी age. We are 55-year-old. Both of us.
Yeah.
People actually believe it? 55?
No, so पता है मेरा ना age Wikipedia पे so there's another Aditi Sharma in this world,
Yeah.
in this industry. वो पंजाबी movies कर चुकी है. She was there in Ricky Bell as well. तो उनकी age हो गई around 32 I think या कुछ तो ऐसा 34 35.
Yeah.
तुम लोगों को लगता है वो Aditi मैं हूँ ना. I'm like really guys?
Okay, Meenu auntie is saying, Meenu auntie love you first. Okay, she's saying thank you Ash. आपकी वजह से हमें अदिति को जानने का मौका मिला.
मेरी मम्मा का ना
I think somehow.
I'm a savage.
No,
Classy.
but she
bougie.
is. And also I think she and I get along better than you and I get
Yeah.
along. I mean,
That's because you guys are really smart.
yeah, no, we're not smart because we love you first. Second, that we love each other.
You're
also.
December born, right?
I'm January born.
January. So she's December, na? तो थोड़ा आसपास.
So we are connected now. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
We love each other. Yeah, guys. Okay, your favorite series that you have watched recently? What have you watched?
I've watched Money Heist पहले मैंने एक साल पहले जब वो आया था
Same,
स्टार्ट
same.
के 3 तब देख लेते अभी
Yeah.
4 तब देखा now I'm waiting for 5th जो कि probably एक साल बाद आएगा.
Listen,
I'm
but
like, oh shit.
do you agree when I say that season 4 was shitty because they did not give us anything in season 4? क्या मतलब, you know, I thought it'll probably end in season 4.
Yeah, because दो सीजन में खत्म होनी चाहिए ना पूरी हाइस्ट. ऐसे थोड़ी होता है कि थर्ड सीजन तक लटका दिया.
Exactly my point. And please,
And then
you know,
that
like
Pelremo, what was his name? So
Paul Remo.
Paul Remo, he was very annoying, I would say. Amazing acting. And then I hate Arturo. Oh my
My
god, he's so
God.
annoying.
He is so annoying. But do you think even that
They're
girl,
amazing actors.
Nairobi is so
I love
good.
Nairobi. Why
We
did they
love
kill her?
and
मैं सस्पेंस
Tokyo.
खोल रही हूँ सबका. Nairobi को मार दिया उन्होंने. I hate it.
They
I'm
killed
so
her,
upset.
यार. And you know, Astha and I were watching it together. Astha was like मेरी favorite थी यार. मुझे बोलना ही नहीं चाहिए था that she's my
Same.
favorite. They killed her.
Even I love Nairobi. Yeah, loved her.
And I don't like Tokyo. I'm just saying I don't like Tokyo. Nor
I would love to play Tokyo, even though she's very irritating, but she's just so. She's so fierce. I don't know. I love Tokyo. I don't know why.
Yeah.
I just really like her. If I
No,
get a
but
chance to play any character from Money Heist, I would love to play Tokyo because उसने सबसे ज़्यादा मजे लिए हैं. उसने सबसे ज़्यादा मस्ती किया, सबसे ज़्यादा एडवेंचरस उसके लिए रहा है. बाहर जाके फिर अंदर आ गई.
how did you?
You know. And then
Yeah,
उसका
I remember.
yeah, and then
Okay,
उसका
somebody saying Nairobi is dead.
I know, man. We just
Yeah,
told
guys.
that.
Nairobi is dead. She is. Okay.
And I love that song, that delicate song. I just love it. जो नायरोबी के मरने पे बजा. I was like, तब से मैं वही सुनती जाती हूँ.
Listen, but somehow I feel that, you know, that's like a very therapeutic song, very rejuvenating.
Yeah.
Like you can sleep while watching, like
Yeah,
while listening to that
right,
song. Somehow.
right. Damon
Okay.
Rice.
Somebody is saying, please ask my question. You have to ask a question. How do you ask your question?
We might have missed it.
What's your favorite subject? What was your favorite subject in school? Please don't say it was maths.
No, it was not.
Great. People now like you even more.
Because Roshni का favorite subject maths है वैसे, but
Yeah, well.
I was not very good at math, but I was fine with it. But I think BST, Business Studies and Economics was my favorite.
Yeah.
And I really wanted to do eco honors. But then जब मैं क्या कहते हैं नॉर्थ कैंपस गई अपना स्टीफेंस में तो
Yeah.
उधर ना मुझे बड़ा ओके लगा. मैं विप्स पहले आ चुकी थी और मेरा स्टीफेंस में बाद में पता चला कि हो गया. So मैं
Okay.
विप्स के इतना अच्छा लगा मुझे विप्स. I was like, I don't want to go to Stephens. I don't want to go to any other college. I want to stay in.
Guys, that's a
And that was
first.
stupid.
That's a first that I have heard in my lifetime that somebody has
Yeah.
actually left St. Stephen's and switched
Yeah.
on to
Because
Whips.
the reasons were apparently because मुझे journalism भी करनी
Yeah,
थी and I
yeah.
wanted to be on TV.
No.
And then I found out so
Yeah.
much about this. Like मुझे पहले journalism का इतना पता ही नहीं था, but हमारे college में इतनी facilities थी,
True,
camera
true.
room and everything. So I was
True,
like, this
true.
is much better. I'm
Much
going to get
better.
some really good experience and practical experience, practical
Yeah.
knowledge as well.
Yeah.
So that's
but
why
Aditi-
I chose this college.
But Aditi, it only proved for the better, right? Like I think
Yeah, I did.
It did take us somewhere, and let's just
Yeah.
acknowledge the fact that our college is the best journalism college in the
Yeah.
entire Delhi.
It
Like
is,
you
it
don't
is.
get it. Just does not get better in any way.
Exactly. I remember our RJ room and everything was there. And
And
the
you know, like,
auditorium, the speeches,
no, but
everything.
that's the kind of college I used to see in TV, and I used to feel like, matlab, college,
Yeah.
like, the classes are going on, somebody's playing a guitar. That was not
Yeah.
then, somebody else was playing guitar. So somebody's playing guitar, and then, like, somebody's just sitting in the canteen.
And I
our
remember
college was-
canteen was so much fun, yeah. Till the Nescafe was there, बाद में उन्होंने बंद कर दिया.
Then there
But-
but now they've installed 2 more things there. Nescafe came back, and also this
Oh.
new ice cream shop came. Like,
oh, amazing. But उसके कोई फर्क नहीं पता क्योंकि बाहर इतनी सारी चीजें थी. I remember. Oh God, the juice shop, the you know.
You remember
what I'm
Chotu?
saying. Of course, that's what I was talking about in my head.
I said it. Telepathy, babe. I read
Yeah.
you. Like I read you. How can you be in Whips and not talk about
Go
it?
to Chotu, yeah.
You remember Spandan? People actually got him
course.
inside in the name of a Maggie stall.
Yeah.
If we have any Whipson watching this, you will relate. Of course, you will because you did it technically.
Right.
Aditi, but also, I think we should advise people to really stay inside because the cases of coronavirus is increasing and, it's getting really bad, especially Maharashtra is crossing the list.
18,000. Yeah. Even Delhi crossed 2000, yeah.
Yeah. I mean, just on the scale of everything that's happening,
Yeah, Maharashtra is
the more the
really in a
cases.
bad situation.
So I think, guys, please stay indoors. Do not go out until and unless you really have to get something really essential. You need to stay inside. You need to
And I
follow
think
the
even if you
guidelines.
want to get something essential, go out एक बार in a week. Not every day you
Yeah,
want to get something essential. That would be stupid and risking your
true,
family and
true.
So that would be really. I loved your video what you made na the with the
Yeah,
domino and the math. It was really good.
it was
So
nice, right?
I
So I did that in collaboration with Girl Up India.
yeah.
So, and I think what they are doing here in India is amazing. Yeah, we need more such youth oriented
Mm-hmm.
organizations again, to take these
Right.
things forward.
Right.
So, somebody is asking you, are you missing? Sorry,
Yeah.
slip of tongue, like really
No,
slip
no
of tongue. Oh
problem.
my god! So, are you missing your show right now? And that's like a lot of questions just on this weekend.
Definitely. Of course, I am missing my show. I'm missing shooting a lot. Yesterday, I was like, "Mama, जब सब सही हो जाएगा तो हम shoot पे भी बहुत संभल के रहना होगा because there are so
Yeah,
many people, the
yeah, true,
lightmen, the makeup dadas and everything. We still have to sanitize our hands
true.
and maintain our distance
Yeah,
and everything. And
yeah.
so I was video conferencing with my मेरे शो कास्ट के लोगों के साथ and then
Yeah.
we were like we'll do the intimate scenes covering our faces with a mask and we'll be like हाँ man हाँ रोशनी with a mask on.
No, but it's great. But I think, we all have to take care for the coming
Yeah,
months, and we
even
really
after
have to
this,
be
yeah.
very careful with everything. And Aditi, I miss you, and
I miss you too, love.
I just hope we can just get through this ASAP so we can sort of just resume our lives back, really, because it's
Exactly,
getting
and
really tough. And
exactly, it's getting tough for everybody, but I must say, please, सब थोड़ा अपने आप को patience increase करो इस time में,
true,
be
true.
strong, be brave, because it
No,
is difficult for everybody. It's
it
not
is.
easy for
It is.
anybody,
It
not
is. And
even for the richest and the richest, and for the
nobody's
poor,
fair.
it is difficult. Yeah,
Yeah,
it is
yeah.
difficult for everybody. It is gonna harm our economy, and it is definitely, हमारे काम पे बहुत असर आ रहा है सबके
True,
because
true,
none of us is exactly working and government
true,
cannot pay everybody because
true.
of our system and everything
Yeah,
but I really think I'm glad कि हम इंडिया में हैं because बाहर की countries का हाल तो बहुत बुरा है
yeah,
because
yeah,
a lot of foreign countries have this trend वो weekly कमाते हैं और वो खर्च देते हैं there's no
yeah,
system of
yeah.
सेविंग्स
Savings.
एंड जैसे
Yeah,
हम लोग राशन ले आते हैं पूरे
yeah,
महीने का एक ही बारी में तो
yeah.
उधर वो रिवाज ही नहीं है वो चीजें है
True,
ही नहीं जिसकी वजह
true.
से वो लोग ज्यादा मुसीबत में हैं दे आर
Yeah,
प्रोटेस्टिंग एंड डूइंग एवरीथिंग जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट
yeah,
सो
yeah,
बी ग्लैड कि हम लोगों के
yeah.
पास खाने पीने को है हमें
True,
सेविंग्स की आदत है सो
true,
या वी
true.
गोना गेट थ्रू इट एंड
Very
प्लीज
soon,
या
very soon.
वी विल गेट
And
थ्रू इट टुगेदर
yes, we're gonna get through this together. We are in this together. And guys,
या
everything you wanna sort of do right now, you probably have to put it on hold. I can't tell you, Aditi, I have so many orders that I have to deliver from
Oh, I think
mod.com. And
More.com. I was about to talk about it, but
people,
a minute ago I was just thinking I'll just
yeah,
tell everybody about More.com and
yeah.
I'm so happy. I'm so proud,
Thank
Ashwarya. When
you,
I was
thank
there,
you,
and I was like so proud that you started this and you're doing
thank
it,
you,
and it's
thank you,
amazing. The collection is amazing.
thank
And
you.
you know what? The dress you gave me, I was looking for an opportunity to wear it, but my
Yeah.
mama wore it before me. She wore it on
What?
New Year, and I was like, Mama, this suits you better than me. And I was like, okay, you look
What?
amazing
Are
in
you
this dress.
serious?
I'll share
Please,
the pictures. Oh my
please
God, I
share the
haven't
picture.
shared.
I don't
She
know.
was
I
like,
follow her.
she
I
was
never
like,
saw it.
I'll show you. Mama was looking
Please
so
show
pretty.
me.
Like मेरे पे ना
Oh my
honestly,
god.
I think वो मेरे से ज्यादा मेरी मम्मा के लिए ही वो ड्रेस
Oh
बनी थी.
my
मेरे पे
god.
तो I was
Telepathy.
looking okay. My mama was looking like, oh my god,
Oh,
she was looking just so
please,
pretty. I was on
please
video
send me
call and I
pictures.
was like, yeah, I
No,
will
now I
definitely.
need to see. I mean, do you see that we are making even moms look hot? And guys,
Exactly. Right.
So this is what exactly, you know, I mean, I was just like sort of referring it to like my mother also, that we have really deliveries pending, and you know, we are waiting for it to get cleared so that, you know, we can sort of start delivering again,
Yeah.
and, you know,
Yeah.
sort of do it.
The
But
new
thankfully,
stock and everything. I know.
Aditi, I think that was the best brunch ever when you actually flew down from Bombay. For me, I mean, I'm
Come
just
on.
eternally grateful for you,
I
and
love you, bro.
I love you too.
I'll be there forever. And I cannot wait when you will style me, you know, I'll wear mod.com
Yeah,
on some big event and
exactly.
I'll be getting that trophy and you know, that's
I
like a
mean, I
dream.
have to see. I mean, that's what we want to see. We want to see you getting an award, and then, I mean, definitely in mod.com. So, I mean, now that you've gotten a stylist at home, this is like
That's like best.
Ghar ka brand. Yeah.
I know. That's the best feeling ever.
So, so that has to be done. A lot has to be
Hmm.
done. Let's just get through this really soon. And
Right.
yeah, I mean, I think in the next live session you have to address more questions because we can only do so much right now.
Yeah,
And
right. It's been an hour already.
it's been an hour, and you know, now Instagram will sort of blur the entire thing because after an hour it gets really difficult to you know, chat. Because
Hmm.
last time I did
Yeah.
it with Shrima, and after 1 hour, when we were approaching 1 hour, it started getting
Yeah.
very blurred and flickery. So we want to
Oh,
avoid that. Let's say bye to everybody,
yes.
and
Thank you guys. Thank you for being here with us. And I hope you enjoyed this live session. And
yeah,
I'll come again soon. And thank you so much,
watch out.
Ashwarya.
Thank
I
you
love
so
you
much.
so
I
much.
love you too.
You're the most amazing person I know. And I'm so glad I know you because
Likewise,
you're a wonderful soul.
likewise,
And yeah, I love
likewise,
you.
baby. I love
We'll
you.
all the
Let's
love
talk
is
soon.
there.
Of
Definitely,
course,
we'll
all the
talk on
love is
call
there
about it.
inside.
But I must say that
Inside.
thank you to all the people who are watching this, and
Yeah.
please stay
Thank
safe
you
and
so
please stay
much.
home.
Thank you so much, guys. Stay safe. Aditi, I'll call you soon. Let's
Yes,
talk.
yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
Send my love to everybody
Bye.
at your house, at
Definitely.
your home.
Done,
Minu
done,
auntie,
done.
bye. Bye, guys. Bye.
Bye,
Love
guys.
you.
Bye. Love
Bye.
you.
Bye.
Bye.